Hanap mo ba yung property na nasa exclusive subdivision dito sa Dasmariñas, Cavite? Meron ding malawak na lot area at single detached na rin ito at higit sa lahat, Japanese-inspired na ang pinakagawa ng bahay mo? If ganun yung gusto mo, keep on watching as we will have our house tour and i-discuss ko rin ang ating sample computation, kaya make sure na tapusin mo ang video na to. Hi, this is Joshua Bigalan, your real estate salesperson of House Sulit PH under GRNT PLT. And if naghahanap ka ng bahay, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit mo na rin yung notification bell para updated ka sa mga upcoming house tour natin sa mga best developer na tiyak na magugustuhan mo. Anyway, we are having our featured house or model, which is ang ating Fuji na merong 120 square meters na lot area at of course 83 square meters na floor area. This is core type turnover, so meaning to say wala pang tiles, pero at least magkakaroon kayo ng preference when it comes sa design ng interior nyo. So right now, we are looking sa pinaka-carport nya, and once again, the frontage of this house is nasa 11 meters. Now, andito yung pinaka-car garage natin, and tara, pasok tayo sa ating pinaka-main door. So, welcome to our Fuji model unit or our dress-up unit para magkaroon kayo ng idea for at least designing yung pinaka-interior niya. And right now, this is space are for our living area. So, may portion for our sofa and our entertainment or ang ating television. Ang kagandahan kasi dito sa single detached natin na Fuji model is meron na siyang mga sliding door na magkakaroon tayo ng access going outside sa mismong property natin. And so far, magbibigay sa atin ng natural light. Mas maganda ngayon ang tama ng araw sa atin. And so far, check naman natin dito yung ating magiging dining table. So, ang ating dining table na nandito is merong 6 seaters na kasya. And once again, meron po ditong mga sliding door. So, this one is our sliding door. Another sliding door, just to tell you. Ayan, so access yan papunta sa ating lanai area. And once again, may divider na ginawa for our kitchen area. So right now, andito tayo sa ating kitchen area na merong complete finish as we are turnovering this one. Concrete finish yung pinaka countertop niya, and then meron na rin deep sink, and then ang faucet naman niya. So dito naman sa ating kanan is ang ating magiging toilet and bath. So sa toilet and bath, ang pinaka-turnover natin, later ipapakita ko, is meron siyang tiles. And then, yung flooring niya may tiles na rin and may paint na yung pinaka-walls niya. Pero just to give you an idea how to design properly or at least magkaroon kayo ng ma-maximize ninyo yung pinaka-design ng bahay is ganito yung pinaka-design na ginawa ng aming developer as for our dress-up unit. So, hopefully is na nagkaroon kayo ng idea, and check naman natin yung pinaka-service area natin dito sa likod. So, medyo madilim lang. Ang our service area is this part going hanggang doon. So, dito, paikot pa rin yan hanggang sa labas ng kalsada. Ayan. So, andun yung pinakapaikot and may access to sliding door so far. So, balik tayo sa loob. And so, akit naman tayo sa taas. Pero bago tayo makit sa taas, let me showcase you this another long table na nilagay ni developer for dress-up model ng ating Fuji, which is what I can see is para naging study area po siya. Pero dito naman is naglagay siya ng another portraits, mga pictures. And so far, ang ating turnover sa pinakahagdan natin or staircase is combination ng bakal and ng concrete. So, akit tayo sa taas. Sa second floor naman natin is ang ating turnover is no partition at all and no ceiling. Pero just to give you an example, ganito yung kalalabasan ng pinaka second floor ninyo. Available kasi ang 3-bedroom or provision for 3 bedrooms to. And of course, turnover na rin po itong pinaka handrails niya for our safety sa family members natin. And check naman natin yung pinaka first bedroom natin where pwede yung kids natin na magstay so far. So, ganito yung pinaka first bedroom niya and may another space for our cabinets here. Yan, so kung makikita natin, nilagyan ng built-in cabinet dyan. And kasya ang single or double na pinaka-bed sa pinaka-first bedroom natin. And check naman natin yung second toilet and bath natin. So, sa second toilet and bath, almost the same lang pinaka-feature niya. Ayan. Meron tayo ditong lavatory, toilet, and bowl. Of course, may shower head din tayo. And just to give you an example, pwede itong gayahin. Kung gusto mo naman siyang ganito ka-cozy, yung pinaka-bathroom mo. And here, punta naman tayo sa ating second bedroom. So, yung ating second bedroom is na-design ng ganito kalawak. So, single bed, double bed is pasok na pasok. Bunk bed is also another option. And may mga bintana pa yan kapag na-turn over sa atin. So, marami tayong ventilation and lighting or source ng natural light for our home. So, at least madidesign natin. So, sa taas, wala pa rin pong tiles. Pero, yun, pwede po ninyo lagyan ng vinyl tiles or any tiles design na preference mo. So, dito nilagay nila ng space for our cabinet. So, built-in cabinet yan. And now, check naman natin yung master bedroom natin. And here is our master bedroom. So, kung mapapansin mo is, ang nilagay nila is nasa king or queen size na bed. And so far, na-maximize nila yung pinaka-area dahil nilagay nila ng another storage for built-in cabinets. Ang kagandahan dyan is, at least mamamaximize mo nga yung mga closets natin sa mga built-in cabinets na nilagay natin. And, one more thing na pinaka-nagustuhan ko is meron tong balcony na ang access lang is ang ating master bedroom, which is meron kang view. For some reason, kung nakapwesto ka sa sunset, ganito yung view mo paggabi. And ang size typically ng ating balcony is nasa 4 meters. Kung mapapansin mo, 4 meters yung pinakalawak niya and nasa 1.5 naman yung pinakalapad niya. So far, nagkaroon tayo ng accent for glass balcony and then ayan, naka-steel na rin tayo or aluminum na pinaka handrails sa balcony. And so far, kung nagustuhan mo yung property na ganito, here is our sample computation. And for our sample computation here at Fuji, single detached with 120 square meters na lot area, also with 83 square meters of floor area. On our left side is our pre-selling computation. For more details, sample computation and reservation, please call or text us to our phone number 0928-903-2043. And for that, ako mismo ang mag-a-assist sa inyo for site tripping or even reservation. And of course, huwag niyong kalimutan na i-follow ang ating mga social media accounts like TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube account, HowSulitPH. And once again, my name is Joshua Bicalan, your real estate salesperson of HowSulitPH under GRNT Realty. And for now, have a good one, everyone!